photo exhibit of human trafficking victims has been opened in Davao City. The event is part of an information campaign against human trafficking launched by the International Organization for Migration. More details of this report from Joy Gumatay.
Aside from the grief and devastation visited by Typhoon Yolanda to the residents of Tacloban, Ormoc, and Cebu, now they've found themselves victimized by human trafficking syndicates since the period of mourning to this extended phase of recovery from the tragic calamity. This according to Romina Santa Clara from the International Organization for Migration or IOM. As part of their information drive to protect Filipinos from such type of abuse, IOM launched a photo exhibit titled Deeper Scars on different parts of the country. After Tacloban, Ormoc, and Cebu, the photo exhibit is now brought to Davao City. Even deeper scars and old wounds are being reopened by several pictures of human trafficking victims from Yolanda-stricken communities. Each photo tells stories of suffering, regret, hope, and new life they confidently shared with the organization.
Bawat isang storya dito, binigyan namin ng tulong. Sinigurado namin na hindi kami magiging parte din ng exploitation. Hindi lang kami nanguha ng storya, kundi kasama din kami sa mga pagbigay ng tulong at masiguro na walang iba, hindi naman siguro, kundi mabawasan yung chances na mayroon pang maluloko sa ganung paraan. So, nilalabas natin yung mga modus operandi.
IOM started their counter-trafficking initiatives with the help of the United Nations, Interagency Councils Against Trafficking or IACAT, and some local government units. Aside from increasing the level of awareness of the public on the painful realities of human trafficking, the initiative also aims to encourage victims all over the country to seek help from different organizations created exactly for such purpose.
Importante kasi ay pagkatapos nilang makita ano yung mga senyales ng trafficking, ano din naman yung mga ahensya na pwede nilang lapitan. Ang numero at ang mga pangalan ng ahensya, gaya ng sa DSWD ba yan o yung sa IACAT na helpline, yung 1343.
Santa Clara believes that now is the right time to counter human trafficking, considering President Rodrigo Duterte aims to completely wipe out this evil that men do during his term. For PTV News, Joy Gumatay, Davao City.